maligayang pagbati sa lahat ng Pilipino na naririto upang makidalo sa ating Philippine Telecom Summit 2026.
This year's theme, One Platform, One Agenda, could not be more timely or resonant. It serves as a powerful reminder that in the realm of telecommunication and ICT, we are not isolated players to build a more connected, inclusive, and prosperous Philippines.
Connectivity is no longer just a tech issue. It is an economic issue. Kung gusto nating umangat ang Pilipinas, kailangan munang umangat ang ating koneksyon.
Today, I am proud to say that these ideas are no longer just a part of our rhetoric. They are now firmly embedded in our national priorities.
Walang iwanan sa digital bayanihan.
Walang iwanan sa digital bayanihan.
Walang iwanan sa digital bayanihan.
Digital connectivity is a national priority. It must be fast, it must be affordable, it must be reliable, at higit sa lahat, it must be inclusive.
Gusto nating mag-democratize ng access to infrastructure. Kasi ang access sa internet, nakakabit siya sa availability ng infrastructure.
In 2026, the Philippine government is making a clear statement. Digital inclusion, digital trust, and digital competitiveness matter.
Ang tunay na digital glow up ay structural, pangmatagalan at ramdam ng bawat Pilipino sa bawat sulok ng bansa.
Let us use these billions of pesos not just to build infrastructure, but to unlock opportunity. Not just to connect devices, but to connect people. Not just to digitalize systems, but to empower Filipinos.
A true konektadong Pinoy is achieved not by policy alone, but through sustained cooperation and collective responsibility.
Kailangan natin ng sama-samang pagkilos, gobyerno, telcos, investors, innovators, at local communities.
Hindi po masama ang competition, pero hindi rin po masama ang cooperation. Yan ang lesson ng Konektadong Pinoy.
Ang work natin today is not just about plans or talks. It's about action. Action for more jobs, more learning, and more opportunities so that every Filipino can thrive in the digital age.
The President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
At this year's Telecommunications Summit, we are reaffirming a commitment of this administration that every Filipino, wherever they might be, gains the opportunity to connect, to learn, to work, and to move forward. After all, in today's age, connectivity is a right, a necessity, and a lifeline. Kumilos tayo na may isang hangarin, ang maghatid ng pag-asa, ng ginhawa at pagkakataon sa bawat Pilipino. Together, let us continue building a bagong Pilipinas where fast, reliable, and inclusive connectivity serve as a firm foundation for growth, for opportunity, and most importantly, for national unity.